Hello, in this video we will see how to structure a qualitative address book on SendApp. Now, by clicking on the book icon, we find ourselves on the page dedicated to structuring an address book on SendApp. Here, we can add an address book. We can update the address book, as in this case we can add address books externally, and we will see this later. We can rename the address book. For example, here, we will call it simply Master. We can delete the address book, add a new contact, and for example, in this case, we create a contact with the same prefix and the same phone number. We also add the same tag one. The tag one is the name that will be related to the contact, useful when we need to create a personalized promotional message for an address book with multiple contacts. By putting the name, the message will be even more personalized because, for example, we will write hi tag 1. In this case, we will have hi Max and everything that follows. We can then import through WhatsApp, through Telegram, VCF from Google Contact, or Apple CSV, and through text. Additionally, we can also use optimized check duplicate to eliminate duplicates regarding WhatsApp contacts, as in this case. So, by importing WhatsApp contacts, they are just phone numbers but related to already occurred chats, so only contacts with which there has been a chat. Now, let's structure an address book through a Google Sheet. Now, for example, we can file import. We can import through what is the document SendApp phone contact, for example, master 3. We can then import it as master 3, import it into the Google Sheet. And we will find our address book. Consequently, we can more easily increase the prefixes. The same goes for example, the phone number, and we can structure our address book. Once we have finished the work, download the CSV. We will then call it the final master and move it to the SendApp contact folder. After closing all these folders, we reopen SendApp. Refresh, and we will find the final master. We save it, and thus have created a functional qualitative address book for SendApp.